Navigating friendships in your 20s is challenging. I'm gonna have a quick snack before we go to church. I'm gonna try the strawberry cheesecake flavor of the Chobani Flip. Flip. I feel like it could be better. I don't really taste cheesecake. It kind of just tastes like icing. We're matching. All the power that you got over me, why can't you see? This lemongrass chicken spring roll. I think my brother-in-law got it from this place in South Philly. There's also shrimp and pork, but I don't really like pork, so I'm gonna have the chicken. There's the noodles. This is like fried spring roll wrapper. I think lettuce, carrot, the chicken. We also have hoisin sauce with peanut. Crazy. My sister and brother-in-law got me this really cute pin from US Open and then this little sticker. They went to the US Open in New York. I don't really use pins, but I like to collect little knickknacks like this. Make sure to put on sunscreen before you use the LED lamp. This is the one I use from Habib, and I only use this for my hands, but I really do like it. I have to quickly do my nails because I do have to pack. I don't have much time to pack after this. My train is at 3. It's 12 right now, and I have to leave around like 2:20ish for the train station, and I still have to eat lunch and pack. So we're gonna quickly do this. My favorite combo would be after a cross country meet or track meet in Colorado, I would come to part of Taylor Express get this stuff.
Right.
Salmon, sugar. My face is so swollen right now. The period after graduating college is such a significant life transition, and I don't think any of us realized it would be this difficult. Friends are starting careers, preparing for grad school, moving back home or to different cities, developing more and more personal priorities, and getting caught up with our daily lives and routines. It's easy to drift apart from even our closest friends. But when we come together to reconnect, sharing stories and laughter, we rediscover the beauty of our unique connections that have grown with us for years. In these moments, we find comfort and a renewed sense of purpose. And it's these moments that remind me that no matter how far life may take us, true friendships can bring us back to a familiar place of belonging and understanding. Sorry that I got a little sappy here, but I really wanted to highlight the theme of reconnecting with friends in this video, because although I might have not shown too much of it, this whole week I spent a lot of time catching up with friends, and I wanted to be able to document it in some form, since I am essentially documenting my life journey through these videos. I hope you enjoyed my little TED Talk, and let's move on with the rest of the video. So I woke up this morning knowing that I wanted to make a vanilla latte. It's not a vanilla latte that I've made before. I've only ever used syrup, like vanilla syrup. But I was on YouTube the other day and I saw on my homepage that Emma Chamberlain posted like a vanilla latte tutorial on her Chamberlain Coffee channel. And I was really intrigued to try her little recipe. I love these little Starbucks Reserve espresso cups. So I'm gonna take some sugar, and she uses a good amount, but I don't want to do too much. So maybe I'll do like 2 spoons of this. I'm gonna mix it all up really nicely. And then she takes her vanilla extract. I also forget how much she puts in. Maybe we'll do 2 spoons of this as well. That kind of seems like a lot. Maybe a little bit more, just in case. Please do not follow this video if you want to make it. I'm kidding, you can, but there's the video she also has up on YouTube, so you guys can definitely watch that to get a better understanding of how to make this little latte. It smells so good. It smells so much better than using vanilla syrup. The vanilla syrup kind of tastes, you know, a little fake, but we're using real vanilla extract here. I'm not sure if I have to put more sugar, but we're just gonna go with this. I'm gonna pour it over the ice. Ooh. Of course it spills. So my milk choice is whole milk, as always. You can obviously use whatever milk you want. And she also uses like a vanilla creamer on top, but I don't have creamers, so I'm gonna take my little straw. Wow, that's really good. I think I could definitely make it a little bit sweeter, but I also like this taste. This latte is almost very nutty. I love it. It's amazing. I'm actually so obsessed with this. I don't think I'll be able to stop making it, honestly, for a while. So I wanted to sit and chat a little bit. I do have a lot to do this week. I have a lot of housekeeping things to do. I also have a lot of editing to do because I've already have content that I need to start kind of going through and start editing so that this video will be uploaded before I leave. I'm gonna be away from Thursday to Sunday, so a lot of editing to get done. And I also have to get some baking stuff because I do want to bake something that I am going to bring for this weekend. My goal is also to kind of be more active physically. I'm gonna make sure I take out time today to do something active, whether it's working out or going on a walk or playing ping pong or doing Pilates at home. Like whatever I feel like doing in the moment for my body, I'm gonna do. Anyways, that's enough of me rambling and rambling. Today I'm focusing on editing so I can get a start on that. And then I also want to make sure I wash my bedding and all my laundry and have a nice workout. Cooper over here is annoyed, Cooper, that I'm disrupting his alone time. I'm sorry. So amazing.